YouTube. Yo, it is Dion. I'm back here with another video. I gotta keep it I gotta keep it 100 because part of me doing this challenge, 30-day challenge, I really want to just document my process. I really want to have something where I can look back at and it's like, yo, I did that, you did that. But my trading, I never really recovered from that drawdown I was in. So I think one of the last videos I posted was me having a really good trading week and I'm trading the evaluation. So if you are, you've seen me post a couple videos, it was about me just trading. I trade some in my live account, but I started a new challenge. And so really got like really, I'm talking one trade from, you know, uh, passing the evaluation. The evaluation with Trade the Pool, they have a single evaluation. So if you've looked at any Forex or futures prop firms that have like multi steps, this might be something that might appeal to you. So with Trade the Pool, they have a single step evaluation or whatever. But anyways, I got really close and I walked my account all the way back down, all the way back, all the way back down. So I was in profit, gave back some profit all the way back down, and it ended up just blowing the account. I don't know what it is. It's like something like I just kind of get into this mode where I get, maybe two or three, 400 bucks, or let's just call it percent, maybe 2 or 3% down on the account, and I just start throwing these Hail Marys. It's not like I give up, but like I just get really impatient instead of like trying to work and grind it back up to like level and work my way back up. I just get into this Hail Mary kind of phase. And so that's what happened. So one of the trading days, I broke even. I should have called it for the day. I didn't. And so over the course of a couple of days, I blew the account. Took a couple of days off, recalibrated, reset it. And so I started a new challenge, not because I am just want to have a repeat of 2024 where I was just like taking challenges after challenges, figuring things out and just kind of like throwing money away, essentially learning, but still throwing money away. I know I feel different. Here are the two ways where my trading in 2025 is completely different. And I really know that I will get payouts soon. I feel it in my bones. I am more patient than I was in the past, where I'm in winning trades and I'm not chasing more gains and profits because I think I'm to the point as of right now where I feel like I've got it out of my system. I feel like I've got it out of my system a little bit where I've just seen it go left so many times where like I've had 3, 4 winning days and then I'll have like a day or two where I've just given it back. Um, I like my hat backwards. So I really feel like, I turned a corner in that way. And I know that, it's not like a permanent thing. It's a feeling, this gambling feeling or this carefree trading. It's something that will always kind of creep up and you always have to manage. But I know that I'm so much better than I was before. So I wanted to really just jump on this one to say I am in a new challenge. I blew the last one because I kind of punted it, but I find myself in winning trades. I'm in my current challenge. I'm on like day two, and I have like they still do time challenges, so I have like 45 days or 43 days now. But Trade the Pool, they still have a timed element for the trading, which if I'm being honest, I've never actually taken it all the way to the 45 days. No, I've never passed. I've blown it every time. So I don't feel rushed as far as like needing to hurry up and get to like a profit position. But the things that I'm doing right now that's working is every single trade I am calculating my risk. I think I shared in one of the last videos that I got away from that last year when I was really had some good success and some regular consistency, even in the evaluations. Even though I wasn't passing them, I was still making consistent green days. And it was because I was like taking my time within the trade and calculating my risk rather than just jumping in. I would say I'm more of a scalper than a swing trader. I'm definitely more of a scalper than like an intraday where I'm holding for long periods. I just My temperament and who I am, I prefer at this point in the game, I just prefer to scalp. So like I'm scalping and I'm not rushing to just take a quick scalp. I'm slowing myself down a little bit to figure out my risk amount. And right now, I'm really trying to hold myself accountable to that $100 risk amount. So once I breach that, then I'm done. And then also, I'm sticking to this $200 to $300 profit target for the day. I listened to a podcast earlier today, and one of the traders who is a seasoned veteran trader, he was talking about how trading is like kind of like how he treats it is like a job. After he clocks out of his job, he's not sitting in the parking lot watching people come and go, watching the customers come in the business. He's not watching managers and like his coworkers come in for their shift. He's like, once I clock out, I'm done for the day. And that is a behavior and a mindset that I'm really locking in on, and it's helped me out so far. So I've talked about doing this before and I have not done it consistently, but this is the part where I'm really holding myself accountable. I'm rereading the Atomic Habits, and like the book is all about creating winning habits. And with trading, I know how to find winning trades. If you're watching this, you've been in winning trades. That is not the hard part in trading, in my opinion, where I am right now. It's not about finding winning trades. It's about not over trading, and it's not giving away profits that I've already made. So I'm limiting myself to the amount of trades that I'm taking. So the thing that you can hold me accountable to, and that I'm holding myself accountable to, is to key in that risk level before I press the buy button. I wrote that down in one of my goals. I'm back to tracking. I found a really nice app on Reddit. It's called Stonk. I think it's Stonk Journal. Maybe I'll put a link in there. But it's legit. It's a free tracker where you can put in your whole. You can track your trades on a. It's not a spreadsheet, but it's on a calendar. So that's really helpful. So I will link that. But tracking my trades, and most importantly, really sticking myself to that risk amount, holding myself accountable. And then the other piece to that is just limiting my trades to like 1 to 2 trades a day. That's what I want. That's what I was saying. I want you to hold me accountable to, because at the end of the day, that is what a profitable trader looks like to me. Even though I like to scalp, and many scalpers take multiple trades throughout the day, the way my life is set up right now, with me exercising in the morning, me reading and journaling, and dealing with my day job and things like that, I just don't have an amount of time that I can just dedicate to scalping all throughout the day. And then also just looking at my data from the past year, and like the more you expose yourself to the risk in the market by taking multiple trades, I bleed out. So for me, I'm looking to, secure the money. This is some money. This was a gift from a friend of mine, Marlon, some years ago. This is actual some cash. And so it's like a manifestation thing. I got this close by. Um, you can see that there. So what I'm really keyed in on is just being disciplined. And the mantra that I keep telling myself is that once I'm done with the trade, I'm not going back to my job. I'm not clocking back in. Once I'm out of the market, I'm out of the market. Because if I look back at all of my stats, or if I showed you all of my stats, that when I blew up my account just recently after being green and one trade away from like passing the evaluation, it was because I went back in the market after I was done for the day. All those other times where I blew up my account and went on tilt, it was because I was profitable for the day. I was done. I was working. And then I decided to open up my app and look at the market. And then I got triggered, and I went on tilt and ended up giving money back, and I just bled myself out. So the behavior, going back to this Atomic Habits book, and what I'm conditioning myself to be a profitable trader, the behavior that I am holding myself accountable to is, once I clock out of the market, to not go back, not even look at the market, just going about my day, whether it's a losing day or a winning day, just staying away, because it just doesn't make sense. And profitable traders don't overtrade. Profitable traders don't go back in the market after they've closed out for the day. So I've been doing that successfully, and it feels good to have control over my trading and control over my habits and my discipline. I cannot always guarantee that I'm going to make trades and make money in the market, but the discipline, how I approach the market, how I control myself when I'm looking at different trades, or when I'm pressing the buttons, pressing the buy and sell, I control that, not the market. And so that is the thing that is going to help me to get those payouts. And I know that I will watch this, and I will be able to come back and look at the comments and look at some of these things that I'm talking about and say, this was the moment that changed everything for me. So I'm still within that 30-day kind of trading window. And I didn't pass my first evaluation, but I think this is going to be a different tune. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you feel a little bit of this passion that, this inside of me. I really feel like there is a shift, and I'm starting to see some better habits coming out of my trading. And I hope that you are tracking your trades and that you are taking the time. I hope that you're taking the time to diagnose yourself and figure out what you're doing in the market so that you can be profitable too, because the resources are there, the information is there, the discipline and controlling yourself and learning about yourself. That's the work that we need to do as traders. So I hope that this is helpful for you. Please like and subscribe. I want other traders to be able to see this, and I want to have other traders in my ecosystem so that we can like build and grow together. So thanks for watching. I hope you have a great week and a great trading month, and that's all I got. Peace.